Check polite requests. I would like equals.
Chtěl bych.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey friend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons and free practice tools. Today you'll get a polite Czech superpower, saying, I would like, as.
Chtěl bych.
Imagine a friendly genie who only responds when you're polite, say.
Chtěl bych.
And boom, your coffee appears. Your goal today. By the end, you'll order like a pro and sound delightfully polite. Use.
Chtěl bych.
To begin polite requests, great in cafes, shops, and on the phone. If you're a woman, say.
Chtěla bych.
It's softer than.
Chci.
I want, which can sound too direct. Polite key unlocked. Pronunciation groove. Warm up your mouth and repeat after me. Keep it relaxed and friendly. Slow. Say.
Chtěl bych.
Natural speed.
Chtěl bych.
Female voice option.
Chtěla bych.
Add the magic word.
Chtěl bych. Prosím.
Finish with thanks.
Děkuji.
Nice. Mini dialogue. Cafe jazz. Order with confidence and a smile. You, excuse me.
Chtěl bych.
Kavu.
Prosím.
Quote. Barista.
Jistě.
Quote. You.
Děkuji.
Quote. Bonus. If you want water too.
Chtěl bych vodu. Prosím.
Quote. Scenes. Shop and phone. 2 quick scenes, point, speak, and shine. Shop. You point at a shirt.
Chtěl bych.
Tuto.
Prosím.
Quote. Phone. Hello.
Chtěl bych.
Rezervací na dnes večer.
Prosím.
Quote. Polite alternative.
Mohl bych dostat.
Číslo stolu u okna? Useful add-ons. Plug these into your requests for instant usefulness.
Chtěl bych vodu.
I would like water.
Chtěl bych zaplatit.
I would like to pay.
Mohl bych dostat.
Menu? Could I get the menu? Direct versus polite.
Chci.
Pivot. Direct. Better.
Chtěl bych.
Pivot.
Prosím.
Polite. Culture tip. Blend in like a local with tiny, powerful words. Start friendly, then ask. Greet, smile, then.
Chtěl bych.
Use.
Prosím.
For, please, and.
Děkuji.
For, thank you. In busy spots.
Chtěl bych zaplatit.
Gets the check fast, and.
Chtěl bych vodu.
Keeps you hydrated. Polite check opens doors, literally and socially. Drill time. Say it out loud. Rapid fire practice, repeat after me.
Chtěl bych.
Kavu.
Prosím. Chtěla bych.
Kaj.
Prosím. Mohl bych dostat.
Usitenku?
Chtěl bych zaplatit. Prosím. Chtěl bych vodu. Prosím.
Finish strong.
Děkuji.
Quiz. Lightning round. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Q. Polite starter for, I would like, in Czech? A.
Chtěl bych.
Female.
Chtěla bych.
Closing parenthesis dot. Q. Softer than, I want.
Chci.
Closing parenthesis question mark. A.
Chtěl bych.
Q. Say, could I get? Question mark quote. A.
Mohl bych dostat.
Female. Mola bitch dostat. Q. Close the bill politely. A.
Chtěl bych zaplatit. Prosím.
Q. Add thanks at the end. A.
Děkuji.
Challenge. Real world mic drop. Ready for a tiny mission? In the mirror or at a cafe, order 3 things in a row.
Chtěl bych.
Cadge. Quote.
Chtěl bych vodu.
Quote. Quote.
Chtěl bych zaplatit. Prosím.
End with a warm
Děkuji.
and your best smile. If a genie appears, ask for snacks responsibly. Synapse Lingo. Goodbye. Thanks for learning with me today. Your check sounded great. Practice.
Chtěl bych.
And.
Chtěla bych.
Whenever you order or ask for help, and sprinkle in.
Prosím.
And.
Děkuji.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. Dicky for listening. See you in the next episode.